Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to add a DKIM record in Brevo or Sendinblue. So there are two steps to do this. So number one is automated DKIM implementation. So choose Authenticate automatically and click Confirm it by clicking Continue on the box that pops up. Enter your domain's host credentials and click Continue. With automatic setup, Brevo does all of this for you. Your DKIM records are added directly to your domain host, so you don't have to update your DNS manually. And the second method is to manually DKIM implementation. Log into your Brevo account, copy the DKIM TXT record given by Brevo. Now log into your DNS management console and add this record. After adding the record, click Save in Brevo. Keep in mind that it might take some time to reflect the changes in your DNS. Once done, the DKIM authentication will be completed for Brevo. That's it. Thanks for watching.